Looking for the perfect tire repair tools? Here's what you need to know. The flat tire repair kit is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants complete kit. This flat emergency tire repair kit includes everything you need for fast roadside repair. T-handle insert tool ×1. T-handle spiral probe tool ×1. Lubricant ×1. Tire repair strips ×20. 4-way valve stem tool ×1. Standard valve cores ×2. Valve caps ×4. L-type hex tool ×1. Storage bag ×1. TIFICAL tire puncture repair kit is designed for repairing various tubeless tires and handling unexpected flat tires on the road. Designed to help you quick repair, this tire patch kit features a simple and user-friendly repair method that allows anyone to fix a flat tire quickly. Whether you're an experienced driver or a beginner, both men and women can easily handle emergency tire repair without removing the tire from the rim. Great choice if you need tough materials. This heavy-duty professional tire patch kit is made with premium CRV steel tools and high-strength repair strips. The durable metal tools deliver excellent strength and stability for reliable flat tire repair. The repair strips provide great adhesion and flexibility, helping restore tire air tightness and ensuring a dependable safety seal for easier and more efficient repairs. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.